Hey peeps, good morning. Hey peeps, good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I hope you're having a great day. I've just been doing some editing. I think Chloe's gonna start watching a YouTube video. 2 types of people. My breakfast consists of spaghetti hoops, hash browns, and frankfurters. And Chloe is currently making some porridge with, what are you having? Banana and honey. And today we are heading up to London to look at the Christmasness and do some shopping. So should be fun. Let's take you along for the journey. For some silly reason, we did go out last night. Not out, but we went to Bar Revenge. We got back quite late. Oh, I really need to clean this mirror. So it's now like 1:30 and we're about to set off, but that's okay. It's Saturday. We'll still make the most of it. And this is what I'm wearing. I've got this like white collared shirt, gold necklace. Don't know if you can really see, like burgundy kind of knitted jumpery thing. This blazer that's from TK Maxx ages ago, but I really like it. It's like I made an effort to look kind of smart, you know. Black jeans and Converse. Can't forget our advent. What an absolutely gorgeous day for a little drive. It's 3:46, but we made it. Yeah, that was a crazy drive, really, wasn't it? Everything was going on. What was funny?
That was a crazy drive.
It was, and I really need the bathroom. And I should have stopped at the services because I've needed it for like an hour and a half. You're hungry?
Freezing.
I was literally just about to say that. Turns out it's actually really quite cold. Don't know why that is, considering it's December. But we're parked in the National Theatre car park. Highly recommend. It's actually bigger than I thought. It's not massive. Decent price. I did it on, I think it's called My Parking Space, the app. And it was like £8 for 3 o'clock until 8 o'clock, which in central London, obviously you do have to pay the congestion charge as well, which is 15. But like when we come up here, we're literally gonna be at Waterloo, so pretty ideal. Why is there literally, yeah, we're underground, aren't we?
Yeah.
Why is there literally carpet on the walls? I feel like I'm in like a padded cell. Oh, I love these. I haven't been in one of these in ages. Coming in the same one. We're here. Oh yeah, that's cool. Look at these little bubbles. Oh, that would be so cute for like a family dinner, don't you think? Aww. The Eye of the London. Oh, look at the lights. They're cool. KFC. Busy.
Praticamente devo.
What's that? What did you do? That is so cool. You can like change. What? So you could just take a selfie in something and post it on your Instagram without buying it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I actually love this. I really like this.
That is so
I'm
cool.
actually trying.
Wow. The seal of approval.
It's like fillet.
Oh, it's like fabric.
Yeah.
What?
I don't want to like rip it. Look at her. She's beautiful. Everyone's taking pictures. Take your mask down.
Look how the butterflies are like swinging. That's so cute. They look like they're flying. A Christmas lights tour. What a great idea. New Bond Street. Oh my god, almost walked into a lamppost. Oh, it is freezing. I love the wall in... How do you actually say it? Not Longchamp. Longchamp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I mean, if you're going to have construction done, that is the way to brand it. That is so cool. I didn't even realise it's like their perfume. I'm so silly. It's all so pretty. I mean, the parking sign kind of ruins it, but no worries. No, it's not where your engagement ring's from. Look at the little trees. Oh, yummy. Oh, they're the truffles you like, right? Guys, I've just seen these. We just went in. Oh my lordy lord. I told Chloe that other than her, I've never loved something quite so much. Oh, and Jas, obviously. It goes Jas and Chloe on top level. Shh, they're not gonna see this, I can be honest. And then those shoes. They were like 1,400 pounds or something. Look how pretty. I'm giving like 2 points for the tree. Only because there's a star on top. But the ice cream with the giant flies that are really disturbing.
Yeah, not.
I rate.
Why is that one like?
Hey, I like a cherry. Ooh. This is so cute. I love little markets and I love that everywhere does them.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like literally even around the world. Little Christmas markets are just such a cool thing. That's a better tree. What do you think of that one? I don't like that the tops. Oh, we love a gay tree. Aww. Balls.
Balls. Sparky balls.
Big sparkly balls. Wow, look at that view. Stunning. We are like 2 minutes from the car, but have half an hour left of parking.
Ow.
Really hot? Your peppermint tea, very hot. Oh. But we're on a mission to find waffles because I really want one. And I saw them earlier and I didn't get one and I should have, and I regret it. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, mulled wine. I'm making some when we get home. Fish. Okay, I see Dutch pancake, Polish deli.
I thought it would be a bit
Oh my
more
god, what smells so good? Look at that lighting. I cannot explain how good it smells, doesn't it? Just the mixture of everything is insane. Oh, this is so cute. Beers and cocktails, don't mind if I do. More mulled wine, classic.
Hot dogs.
The Dutch shed. Ooh, that looks good. I really thought that would be the place. Nothing. Look at that for a way to end a great day. That looks insane. What did you get again?
Chocolate, fudge cake, waffle.
Jeez. Brownie pieces. I got bueno and strawberry with bueno gelato and we're gonna watch some Vlogmas. Bye.